So this is my counter sprocket. This is, I've already taken it down somewhat, but that's the counter sprocket that goes on that motor, the drivetrain that goes from the motor down to the sprocket that spins your drive for the track, but we're getting rid of the track, of course. And I want to go away from these gears that was on that to an actual number 40 chain. So this has to fit in this. So in order to do that, I got to set up a machine. Now I don't have machines to mill that down, trim that down. So I'm going to show you the machine I use. Okay, this is how you do it. That spins freely. I consume this. So I've hopefully removed the necessary material that needed to be removed so that I can weld it to that using that. Right, Joe? Yes. So that's what's coming up. All right, so that. Mind's eye will go on that, so that when this gets spun by the motor, this spins, then it's going to spin that, which then spins the wheels that'll be attached to the axle. Alright, Big Blue gave me a pain in the butt, so I had to hit it with my little mighty little red thing there running. Which does a really good job. One of these days I'm going to get that thing squared away. But anyway, I'll wait till this cools a bit and then I'll grind it.